How to write a blog post outline with Jasper AI. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys. So the first step is to sign up on Jasper, and if you haven't done that, then just click on the link in the description to sign up and you will get 10,000 free words and a 5-day free trial. Okay. So once you've signed up on Jasper, um click on templates right here by the left. You'll see templates. Once you click on templates, scroll down and you see blog post outline. Okay, click on that, and then right here we have an example of a blog post title. So you have to input the blog post title and then the tone of voice of your blog post. Okay, so right here I've written something here, 7 ways to make money online, and then the tone of voice could be fun, conversational, friendly. I like witty just because it sounds much better um to me. And then right here you click on generate, then Jasper will come up with a blog post outline for you. Okay, so once you have the outline, you can either copy this and then use it somewhere else, or you can click right here where it says open in documents. Once you click on open in documents, Jasper will open a new document for you. Okay, then you'll be able to edit that document and um, edit the rest of your blog post. Okay, so right here we have the outline. um, we have the outline. Okay, we have two outlines. So you can choose any one you want. So once you've chosen the outline, you click right here where it says power mode. Sorry, right here by the left where it says focus mode. Great. Once you click on focus mode, you have your full screen editor. Okay, so you then copy the outline and then paste it right here by the left where it says content description slash brief. Just paste the outline right there. Okay, so now we have the outline for our blog post, and then the title remains 7 ways to make money online. Okay, so Jasper generated 6 ways, so you can just add one more or go back to the editor and then make Jasper come up with more ideas. Okay, so now we have our title, which is our H1. Click right here where it says header 1 and make that your H1, and then once you're done, right here we already have the outline, so you can write your blog post, or tell Jasper to compose a blog post using this specific outline. Of course, if you've been following our tutorials, then you already know that to create a blog post you simply need to hold Control and then press J. Okay, if you're using a Windows PC, you hold the control button and press J. But if you're using a Mac, then you hold the command button and then you press J. Okay, so let me just give you an example. I have a Windows right here, so I'm just gonna press Control and J, and then Jasper will start writing this article or this blog post for me. Okay, so you can see right away we're getting something, but I don't like this because it's kind of too short. So you can definitely edit it right here by the bottom left where it says output length. Increase it to L, which means longer, and then delete this and then make Jasper write again. Okay, so let's say okay, this is um okay. Of course, the beautiful thing about Jasper is that you can make it write longer if you want it to write longer. So for example, right here the first point is start a blog and sell advertising space. Okay, so the next thing you can do, if you want Jasper to write more about this, just type in for example. Okay, and then Jasper will continue from here. So you just have to press Control and J again, and then Jasper will keep on writing. Okay, for example, you could start a blog about fashion. Okay, very good, makes a lot of sense. But you can see we don't have an introduction, so you can also, put in an introduction right here. Just type in introduction. Okay, so once you type in an introduction, then you press Control and J, and then Jasper will generate an introduction for the article. So of course, there is also a separate Jasper template for writing introductions. You can use that if you want, but I think just doing everything at once right here in this editor makes it very easy. So here we have a brief introduction. We have the first point, we have the second one, we have the third one. So you can keep on editing your blog post on and on and on, and it's very easy to use. And since you already have an outline here, Jasper will follow this outline. But of course, you can still edit this so you can add point 7, point 8, just to make your article or your blog post much more robust. If you got some value from this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.